Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a great deal that is hard to find at this price. Loaded with features. Features also include keyless entry, remote start, keyless ignition, Uconnect system, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2017 Jeep Renegade. The Jeep Renegade offers full-size capability built in a smaller SUV. The Jeep Renegade is an incredible combo of smart technology, cool colors, and innovative materials. It has a capable command center with the tools you need for discovering everything that's out there, and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, adjustable steering wheel, driver airbag, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless start. Come see the car for yourself.